So this is a flow we'll see today, back to back order. Earlier we have seen drop shipment. In drop shipment, what we will do usually, whenever we don't have a stock available, we'll ask our vendor to deliver goods to the customer directly. Supplier only will deliver, but here, in this case here, first we'll book a sales order. Okay, sales order entry. Then we'll book it. We are not doing immediately quick release shipping because we don't have a stock at all. So this we are not doing. Then definitely we have to purchase from someone. So we are purchasing from suppliers. Before purchasing, we have to create a requisition, then approval, then purchase order. Then after that, receipt here. Because physically we are receiving goods here, that's why we'll create a receipt. And then we can proceed further here. After receiving, then we'll do a quick release and then shipping. Here, our organization only will raising a requisition and buying the goods. Then after that, we only delivering goods to the customer. That's why it is called as a back to back order. Okay. Here, here also some prerequisites are there. Prerequisites. We have to first make item creation, and there is a ATO, stands for here is assemble to order. But like there are 4 more tabs we have to go. Go to purchasing here. Purchasing information. Sorry, inventory. In inventory, we have to take first purchasing tab. Yeah, items, master items. V1. Okay. Go with the organization assignment immediately. You may forget this. Okay. Then after that, come here. Instead of closing and all, then here itself, there is option here. Left-hand menus. Okay. Then in the purchasing tab, as we mentioned here, list price is important. Let's say 6,000. Then there is a general planning tab here. General planning. So in this, it must be a buyer. We are buying the goods, we are not making. Buy. Then work in process. In the work in process, built-in WAP we have to enable. This is the checkbox. And then one more is in order management. In order management, you can go. There is a ATO. ATO means here assemble to order. This one. These are all the things. So overall, 4 things here. At the time of item creation, we have 4 tabs here. One is purchasing module related. Another one is general planning. And one more order management. What else we missed? Here is a place WIP, right? WIP, work in process. These are all the 4 tabs we have to do something. In the PO tab, what I am doing, I am repeating again. Go to purchasing. Here is the place. Enter the list price. Okay, list price. Default buyer also we may need to add. And then general planning tab, we are not doing anything, just verifying whether it is a buy or not. So what we will do, first we'll apply a template. Let's see whether any defaultingly populated fields. Go to general planning by, then what else? Purchasing tab, we already given. The next is order management. In the order management tab, ATO. So this we missed here. ATO, PTO, CTO, there are multiple options are there. Just for, if you learn this module, you can understand the terminology. But for time's sake, I'm just giving here ATO, PTO, CTO. Just full form abbreviations only I'm giving. To make you understand again, I made it take time. Assemble to order, and then process to order, and configure to order. If you have a time, just go through Google, like what is WIP module. So these are all manufacturing. It comes under manufacturing modules. So anyway, ATO only we have checked for this flow. So these are all common. Internal orders not required here. It is not an internal sales order. Okay, save. Clear? This is the first step here. So there are other steps as well, like enabling buyer. So this B2B item, we created everything. This periods, I no need to explain it. It seems we already covered, right, yesterday? All the periods, it's a time waste again. Purchasing period, GL period, these are just 2 steps here in this case. Yeah, one more is assign the item to the price list that you know already, correct? So how to assign which module we need to go? In O2C only we have the same step, nothing new. That is Oracle. Where to go? Like to assign a price. Yes, pricing manager global. There are 2 things here. We have to go to not individual module, global it is. Price list, price is set up. Then there is a name here. Name is right. Item. Shift F5 if you use it, it will copy automatically. Previous row field. These are all the shortcuts. Item number. That's a selling item, right? It is 7,000. Purchasing we mentioned as 6,000. Here it is 7,000. That's it. Overall 3 steps here. Okay. One is item creation. The second one is check periods in PO, AP, AR, GL, INA. These are all the modules. In order management, you cannot see periods. Third one here is what is add item to the price list. Okay. So these are all the 3. 1, 2, 3. Three steps. So you are familiar with this all. No need to explain much. Okay. Now next is sales order entry and booking. Go here. Order management. Order management supervisor. Order returns and sales orders. Your item. Quantity. Price will come automatically as a 7,000. Save. So what could be the entry here? The status entered only. So how many statuses you know as of now? Like I'm expecting all the statuses. First, you tell me in the O2C how many line level status. This is a very good question. That's why in O2C how many line level statuses we have seen. Normal O2C, not B2B. First status is what is enter. Second status is as you said awaiting. Then Perfect. Next. Correct. That is O2C. In case of ISO, what you have seen? Internal sales order. Can you recall? Entered, that's common, correct. Next. That is in drop shipment, it seems, correct? No? Drop shipment, entered, booked, awaiting receipt, right? Then shipped. After that, closed or something. Any other? In normal ISO? Supply? Supply eligible. Those are all comes under now this one, back to back. Okay? That's why do not get confused. In normal ISO, can you recall? Internal sales order, awaiting PO, PO open, requisition open, these are all you have seen. Yeah, shift close, entered shift close common everywhere in all the flows, correct? That's why you have to recall all this. Now, in the back to back order, you will see a different statuses. Okay, first let's book it. Quantity on hand fails because we don't have a stock. That is the reason we are going with some other supplier. And order has been booked. These are all the messages, AOL messages. Continue. Take the sales order. Here, booking level. Booked here. What else? Line level. Just check. After booking, you have to see here. Supply eligible. You may get production open also. If you get a production open, what needs to be done is I already mentioned in this. That's called as a sourcing rule. It is. If you get line level status as production open, you need to go to this navigation and disable the end date. That's it. If you want to see, I'll show you. So you may get definitely production open also. Go to purchasing. Supply base here. This navigation you need to go. Suppliers. Sorry. Is it supplier or navigation? Sourcing rule, right? Somewhere you can check here. Sourcing rule. By default, it will be there. Same M2 to M-M1 we have to give. This one. So this unit is someone has end dated. That is the reason why only you are not getting production open. Otherwise, if you remove this here, definitely will get a production open. Okay. So this is already rectified here. We are not saving that. Otherwise, you will struggle. Okay. So as of now, at line level status, your status is what is supply eligible. Now we need to progress the order here. This is the second step here. Okay. Go to order management. You have to query with your sales order. Yeah, place the cursor. You just select it, right click. There is a progress order here. This is the one. We are progressing to other module. Your workflow background process automatically it will take it. So click on progress order. Then there is a create supply order eligible. Click on this. Only one value we can see. Now go to view requests. Find here. It is not done anything. So here is the place tools. There is a workflow status. You can see how it is managed. All notified. This information you can see. Shipping line here. If any errors also you can see here. Because here also checkbox is checked here to see errors. Okay, now go to tools menu here. Scheduling. Then reservation details. So here is the place supply tab. In the supply tab, you can see this. It has to populate here. Let us see. The line will be stored as an external requisition requester. Okay. So scheduling and all will check after this particular step here. You need to requery the sales order. Line level status will change now. After progressing, go to line items. So this is the requisition. Earlier it was supply eligible. Now it is external requisition requested. So we need to create a requisition right now. Go here. After supply eligible, then quick release shipping we are not doing right now. Before creating requisition, what is the second step here? That is progress order. After progress order, your line level status is external requisition request. That means you need to create a requisition right now. To create a requisition automatically, what is the program we have to submit here? Automatic program. That is program name is requisition import. Right now we have to call a requisition import program. Here itself you can see somewhere here requisition import. This you can call. Click on this requisition import and then your import source. So from which source you are importing here? I mentioned right already CTO, PTO, correct? For only ATO items only you can see CTO. That is configured to order. That's only one value you have to select. Then requisition number not required. Submit. No. Once requisition import program completes, your sales order will reserve automatically in the line level to the requisition number. Click on view output. Your number of approved requisitions is 1. To identify the requisition which we created, you go to sales orders here. F11, your sales order number. Go to line items. What could be the status here? External requisition. What is the status you have seen earlier? Requested. Right now we can see other change. It is open means requisition is created. This is another status. After requisition import, after creating a requisition, the line level is changed here. So as of now, entered supply eligible requested. Production supply we missed it because that is issue will be it's already rectified. Now approved also done here. Okay. Now requisition number let's copy. How to identify requisition number is go to tools. This navigation remember tool scheduling, reservation details, then supply tab. So here is the place. Earlier I showed you this navigation. This is the number. So it went in gray mode because these are all requisition details. Fine. Requisition number. Approval also done, completed. Next, how to create a PO, automatic PO. Yes, there is a button here. That button name is auto create. Somewhere you can check purchasing tab, auto create. Usually we have to clear all this. There is a button here, clear button, requisition number, fine. Then how many tabs are PO? Right now only standard I'm taking, automatic. Now supplier, create. It is an incomplete. Can you guess what will be the status at line level sales order? 70982. So internet issues. Okay. So copy this 70. Yeah, I'll connect to 50. Sorry, meeting not recording actually. From today onwards, I will not record. You have to remember everything. Go to sales order. Any idea? Can you guess? No closing. Still external requisition open only. After approving, then it will change. Okay. Just go back again. You can go to purchasing tab, purchase orders, summary or purchase orders. You can go. Then enter the number here. Incomplete. Approve. Make sure you should not go beyond $25,000 for time being because you are not aware the approval hierarchy and all right. Approve. I'm going back and verifying again what is the status. I don't want to miss a single step here. So this is the status. PO completed, right? After approval only it will change. So at the time of PO, the status is what it is? PO. Okay. The next step here is what it is? Receipt. So receipt you know already in P2P option, right? Let's check whether we are missing some. Are we missing something? Approved. Yeah, we are here. Ninth step. So transactions. Right. So we should see awaiting shipping at the end. That's it. Then your flow will be ended. Okay. So now the next step is what it is. Receipts, correct? Purchase order, purchasing module, navigation for receipts. If you are practiced already, then you can easily do. Receiving receipts. M1, purchase order. Yes. Tolerance. These are all notes, not errors. Okay, notes. Then check the sub inventory. Stores or FGA or engineering items, whatever, based on your need. So after receiving the goods, you will have a quantity available in the warehouse. Then from that particular point onwards, you can do a pick, release, shipping, invoice. Those are it will go on. So after receipt, you should see status is awaiting shipping for your sales order. Let's see that. Go to, sorry, wrong. Instead of switching, we are doing everything in the order management only. Sales orders. Line items. You can see, yeah, your flow. In this flow, the last step is this only, awaiting shipping. Your back-to-back flow is ended. After creating a receipt, your sales order line level status is awaiting shipping. Once you see awaiting shipping, it will be equivalent to normal sales order. Correct. In normal sales order, after booking, you have seen awaiting shipping, then we'll do pick, release, shipping, creating invoice. These are all it will go on, right? That's it. How many steps are there overall? One is sales order entry booking. The second is progress order. Third is requisition import. And fourth, it will be approved automatically. And fourth one is auto create. And fifth is receipt. Only 5 steps process. So are you okay with this? Revision required? You want to see for one more order? I think not required, right? So we'll see other points.